Let's try and catch. I'll do this detainer real quick. Key out this one somewhere. This is. These are strange. These are a bit of an oddity. This detainers. These are cheap Chinese ones. It does work, and this one actually it seems okay. It was quite extremely cheap, I suppose. What it is, I mean, it was less than a fiver in a pound store. Well, it should have been less than a pound, really, shouldn't it? But however, let's try. We have a cheap pick, cheap lock, and let's see if it makes it after this. Backed up. Here are the discs and this wiper insert from. It's a big one. Okay, when I'm picking these, what I generally do is, obviously it's kind of like looking for the binder. I just go along with trying to get a little bit lighter tension, and if the discs don't want to move, then I just leave them. And you kind of, the ones that do want to be picked, they tend to just fall into place, you know. They go dead almost. Let's see, let's start. You want to go anywhere? This guy, nice little there, nice dead spot. Okay, hang on. Okay. Be a bit heavy on the tension here. Oh yeah, that's still one going there. Flag is stuck. Oh, why did I do that? Eesh. Come on, baby. Come on out there. Come on. There you go. No. You want to go? No. Hang on a sec. Okay. Okay, here we go. There, I think good. There. And there. Hey, so that's a detainer done. I'm not great at them at all, but they're good. They're really cheap too, and they're a good laugh. Okay, that's my rest finished. I have to get back to work. This little beauty. So now I have to start again, and this time hopefully the camera will be running.